Hello everyone, welcome back to our page. So make these strawberries. So for that we'll be taking a yellow color paper, fold it like this and press it. Now follow the same step on the back side. Turn the sheets from the between and fold it. Now put the papers in the between like this. Now take a green color paper. Now make a leaf like this, fold it little bit, paste it on the top like this. Put the red dots and your strawberries are ready. Next we'll be making this toy. So take a white paper, fold it like this, and then you have to fold it from the sides also, press it like this. Now spread it as shown in the video. Now make a square like shape. Fold it like this from the sides and press it. Now follow the same step from all the sides, fold it like this from the top and press it. Now cut it from the between and then you have to take a red color paper and repeat the process. Now press it like this again inwards. So you'll get a shape like this. Now fold it like this and press it and fix it over the white and yellow one. Now take another blue color paper and repeat the same process with it as well. So you can see how we are pressing it and fix it over the red one and your toy is ready. Next, take a plastic bottle, fix the thread to hang it. Take the yellow paper, make the frills and roll it on the sides of the bottle. Take a pink one, cut it out in the shape of the lotus. Now draw the lines over it and paste it over the bottle like this. Put the layers of it one by one and your beautiful light or the lamp lotus light is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a red color paper, fold it like this. So it's a dual color paper, you have to fold it and make a triangle like shape. Now fold it from the sides. Now after folding it, open the paper and press it inwards like this. Now you have to repeat the process from the sides as well. Now we have to fold it like this. Now after that, we have to fold it like this from the top and press it. Now we have to make the neck of it in the front, make its legs like this. You can see how we are folding it from both the sides. So you can see like this and then press it. Fold it from the sides like this. Now you can fold it and make its wings and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll be making this beautiful crown. So take yellow color paper, fold it like this from the sides and make the creases. Now press it like this. Fold it upward, press it like this on the downside. Now press it inwards like this. Make the crown like shape. Now after that you have to fold it backward on the same way like this and make a crown like shape. Now after that you have to paste these stones on it and your crown is ready. Next we have to take the green color paper. Now we have to press it like this from the sides. Fold it like this. Now you have to press it from the between and press it like this. Now we have to press it inwards. Now we have to open it or just fold it from the sides. Freshen it like this from the sides. Now stretch it from the between and it's done. Next, paste the water bottle caps together, make its hands, eyes, make its hat like this. Now paste the buttons of the snowman and it's done. Thanks for watching a video.